Hi everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Len and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about Groovepages. So, did you know they have a free sign up available? You can sign up. It's for limited time, so this option won't be available forever. And you get GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate, Groovepages Lite for free. You never have to pay, ever again. You're pretty much grandfathered into this sort of slot of the base package. You have access to Groovepages, GrooveSell, you can sell anything you want. You can be an affiliate to Groovepages, make 20%. You have full access to Groovepages Lite. And if you wanted to sign up, in the future it'll cost you $99 a month. And you get GrooveSell affiliate, pages, mail, member, video, leads, cart abandons, email buyers, email affiliates. If you go with the gold, for $199 a month, you get GrooveSell affiliate, pages pro, mail, member, video, a bunch of email options, Groove blog, desk calendar, survey, quiz. You don't get Groove webinars or webinars automated, but if you were to sign up before, I believe, the end of May, you get everything, and it's 3 payments of $497, and then you never have to pay again. It's a lifetime membership, and you get everything, including the webinars automated. You also get GrooveCart, which is basically your store like Shopify, except you don't have to pay them $30 to $100 a month. It's all included, and you never have to pay again. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. I'll show you quick here a little bit of, once you're logged into Groovepages, you'll have all your applications here on the left here. So right now there's Groovepages, GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate. Groove Mail will be available soon. You can see a sneak peek actually on the, if you click the link for the free site below, you'll see a little video for the sneak peek. There's also going to be Groove Member, Groove Videos, blog, webinars, desk, calendar, survey, all kinds of stuff. So let's take a look at Groovepages. So say we wanted to create a quick website. We could actually create a new site. We could actually use a template. You just pick one of their templates. They're adding more all the time. Let's pick one. How about with the simple green one? Let's select this one. So you have your headline, you can have an image, you can easily change the image, go to configure, you can say choose image, I have a bunch of images here. Say we want to go to free stock photos, and say we want a building. Let's type in building and look at all the buildings. We can pick any one. Ooh, I like this one. Click your building. Uploading, processing. Click your building, You can update the size if you want. You say select and update. You can actually have it linked to something. So say you want to link it to a URL. You can have it say link to msn.com or something. Open a new tab, update. You got a new picture. Oh, I actually kept the laptop. I put the picture inside the laptop. That's really cool. You can have a button to do whatever you like. So say we configure, so say sign me up. We can have it go to a URL, open a new tab. You can have it say go to www. Where do we want to go? Say Toronto.com. Update. We change the sign me up, and we can actually change the design if we want. The text, we can make it bigger, smaller, change the color text, make it gray. White is better. What else? We can change the color of the button, background. Don't like green, make it nice red. Hey, that's not red. There we go. Make some borders, make the different button, different shape. Okay, say we're good with that. Let's say save. Let's take a look at our page. Let's finish saving. Click the I button here, take a look at our page. And now we click on our image. Let's see if that works. And it goes to the page we wanted to. And sign me up, it's just going to go to, where's it going to go? Oh, that's right, Toronto.com. Okay. but you can have it go to your pop-up to say add an email address to take their email and have it go into your mail program, where soon we're going to have Groove Mail, so we can make it go right into there, collect your email addresses, and boom, have your list of email addresses. So it's just a quick look. Remember that you can sign up for free. So sign up for free today, and you can decide later, but I don't know how long the deal will be for lifetime. Just remember that if you sign up for lifetime, where is it here? You never have to pay again. Even if you're not sure and you're thinking, oh, I'm not going to do anything this year, next year, you can worry about it next year and work on it. Or you can set up a store if it's not doing very good, or some kind of funnel and it's not doing well at all. If you waste a month on it, at least you don't have to pay for your web services, because it's all free for, well, not free. You pay for it once and that's it. Here's a list of all different types of options you get here. You get wireframe blocks, premium blocks, access to our full growth funnel template library, unlimited project sites, unlimited pages, unlimited websites. There's as many websites as you want. ClickFunnels has a limit. On their cheap plan, I think it's only 3, and their next plan, it's 9 websites. That's the URLs, how many URLs you can have. Unlimited funnels, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited royalty-free images, unlimited everything. Unlimited peanuts. Free SSL certificate, split testing, team members, share pages and funnels. That's super easy. If you want to share it, you go here, you come over here, you go, I did it once, export site, and it just exports as a zip file. And then once you export it, you can import it back in. Is there an import here? Export. Okay, don't know how to do that yet. We'll try that next time. What else? Free hosting, no site branding, unlimited custom domains, upgrade to lifetime. Oh, there we go, basic light. So the free plan, you get wireframe blocks, premium blocks, you get funnel templates, only 1, 3 projects per site, 3 funnels, 3 custom domains, that's pretty good, 3 custom domains for a free plan here. Sites branded with page built with Groovepages. So all your pages will say page built with Groovepages, but it's free. So that's their advertisement for your free site, which is pretty good for free. So click the link in the description if you want to check it out. Talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.